Well, welcome back everybody. We are announcing a new build here. This is going to be the Ron Stewart appreciation build. I was looking through my stash. Now I've got a big stash. I've got over 300 kits. And so I'm looking for, I knew I didn't have any of these dirt track racers. But so otherwise I'm looking for cars in the 50s. And I was a little bit shocked to find that I don't have a lot of those at all. Out of that many kits, I don't think there's 10 of them in the 50s. And I know I've got to do something about that. But after searching through, my wife and I were going through trying to find something from the 50s. And we finally found this one. Now, I bought this one a while ago. I don't even remember exactly when, but all I know for sure here, and I apologize and I'm a little embarrassed, is that this definitely says from the 50s, but help me out guys. I know it's a custom, so it's, you know, some of the things are a little bit different on it, but what year is that? I just need to know because I'm going to be starting a build series on it, and then I want to be able to identify it properly. Do you got a good enough look on it? Look at it there. Can you tell what year that is? But I do have an assurance it's from the 50s. And so I picked it, and it is definitely unique. This is MPC from back before Round 2 had MPC. All the parts are in great shape. I don't know where it was manufactured or anything. I think it's from about 2006. But I am hyper excited about this. Now in between builds, now underneath the instructions back there, the Digger CUDA is boy, it's really getting close to being done. I don't want to show it yet though. So, but it is going to be done very soon, and this lower section, building section, is going to be open for a kit. Whereas that semi is still going to be hogging the top layer for months. Anyway, check this out. Look at the back. So it's a double flip. The back end flips up and the front end flips up. And it would be great if they had a picture of them both at the same time, but I don't see it. Anyway, look at the back. Look at the slicks there, Ron. This build is for Ron Stewart. He is a hot rodder. You cannot build a car that is just regular factory. Just straight out. You cannot do it. Has to be modified, custom, and beefed up. As you can see, this one's got the blower sticking out of the hood. And the wide rear tires. Really super excited about this. Those wheels, look at those. So we got wire wheels in the front, and then we got these big mags in the back that are also wire wheels. Never seen that before. And here they are right here. Let me try to get in, see how close I can get. They're molded pretty good. Deep mag wire wheels. And of course I get a wash in there and make it look nice. I'll leave that chromed to be as shiny as possible, and then there's the fronts. Otherwise, a lot of this chrome tree is going to have to be stripped. Look at the ladder bars. You strip those and paint those chrome, or paint those aluminum. But the only thing that's going to stay chrome in here is the bumpers and the grille. Now here are the rear tires. One of the rare ones these days that actually has the brand on there. And my skills are improving. I'm actually going to be able to paint those white letters there. And that's going to happen, and I'll wire the engine and everything. It does have a separate chassis, and separate exhaust, and separate springs and axles and everything, so when everything's flipped up and you're seeing the chassis, it will look good. And otherwise, here's just a neat look at that guard that they're putting on the great, there's no picture of it. It's kind of a neat thing they did here with the, look there, the CB antennas are on the top of that guard. Oh, there's a picture of them both flipped up. Yeah, and the wood grain is on the bed bottom. And I'll give that a try. I've never done that. But obviously, this is one of the good ones. And so I'm real excited to do this. This is going to be the next project, and it's going to be for Ron because, you know, and I'm here for Ron because Ron is always here for me and for all of us. He's always there. I don't think he's, you know, I don't, you know, positive comment, even when you're, I have shown some things that are absolutely lousy. One of those things where, you know, you're putting up something just to put something up, and it's boring and everything, and Ron is right there with positive comments, and you're like, eh. You don't really feel bad until you get the positive comment on a lousy video. But he is always there, so this is going to be his. And it is going to be red. I meant to bring the can down. Now I'll never be able to find it quick enough. But I'm going to be painting it the red. I don't have anything showing it. I have 2 cans left of the discontinued Walmart Color Place 99-cent beautiful red paint. And it is going to be painted completely in red. That red. It's a nice shiny red hard shell. Best paint in the world, 99 cents. That's why they stopped making it. But I have some, and that's what's going to go on this. It's going to be bright red. It's going to be a beauty. Anyway, so just announcing it, just giving you a quick look at it, and then updates will come. So hope you like it, Ron. I know I like it, and we'll see you on the next update. Later.